camera cut me off. We're at N.
OBURSDUWXYNZ. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Gotta love Talented Family. Question of the day. What's the weirdest thing your brother or sister, or if you're, you don't have any siblings, what's the weirdest thing you can do? Any talent. Weirdest. Me, I can... I can do this weird sound with my mouth. If I like inhale really fast, it sounds like a dying goose. I'm not gonna do it because my throat hurts right now, but I will do it eventually in one video. Alright.
When she hiccups, it sounds like a donkey.
Not anymore, it's all squeaky.
That's a lie.
Anyways, like me, rate me, and subscribe. Love you guys, bye.